Instagram has a new feature called broadcast channels that allow creators to engage directly with their followers. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to join a creator's broadcast channel as a follower, and how to create your own broadcast channel. Now let's get started. When a creator you follow creates a broadcast channel on Instagram, you'll get a notification. Tap the notification to view a list of broadcast channels hosted by creators you follow. Tap to view the broadcast channel you want to join. At the bottom, tap Join to become a member of this channel. After joining a broadcast channel, you'll see a new Channels tab appear in your Instagram message inbox. Whenever a broadcast channel you've joined has a new update posted, you'll receive a notification and be able to check out the update there. If you're a creator wanting to make your own broadcast channel, here's how to create one. To make a broadcast channel on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your message inbox. Then tap the new message icon in the top right corner. Now tap Create a Broadcast Channel. Tap Get Started. Now add a name for your channel. By default, only your followers can join. Then choose whether you want your broadcast channel to be visible on your profile. When you're done, tap Create Broadcast Channel. After making your channel, all of your followers will be notified that you've made a broadcast channel so they can easily join. Once you've created your channel, you can start sending messages to your members, run polls, and more. That does it for our overview of Instagram's new broadcast channel feature. To learn about other awesome Instagram features, check out our playlist of Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.